Yeah, good afternoon to one and all. Uh, Welcome, my dear director ma'am, and my dear faculty members and dear students. Here today we are going to uh, discuss regarding about World Cancer Awareness Day program on account of World Cancer Day awareness. We are AMS School of Informatics conducting a elocution competition. Because of awareness is compulsory for each and every age people. You people are very engaged. You have to aware the things. You have to go for the social awareness activities mainly. Clear? That's why. Ma'am, I'm requesting Director Ma'am to give to few words about regarding about this World Cancer Awareness Day program, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Venupriya. Good afternoon, girls. Once again,
Good
I
afternoon.
welcome
Good
you
afternoon,
all.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
Good
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. I'm
Good
happy
afternoon, ma'am.
that many of you are going to participate in this elocution today. A really very appreciable gesture by many of you. And girls, this is basically, as Madam told, we are trying to create some awareness among you because this is a disease, cancer. This is not considered as a disease, lifestyle disorder, right? So if we are not careful with our lifestyle, the way how we are leading our life right from your young age, it's very difficult later on to manage or to cope with any such kind of abnormal conditions. So every one of us, mostly in our families, we have victims of these dreadful disease. I talk about my own family. My father, my father died of stomach cancer. So those days, however, we tried to give him that chemotherapy and all, and we don't know, we could not save our father. So I lost my father for this kind of disease. So I, since that time, whomever I come across, I try to just bring about some kind of awareness among them. What are the things in the lifestyle modifications? What modifications we have to bring about in our life? Some kind of discipline is needed, some kind of systematic way of eating is needed, food habits are needed. So what to do, what not to do, all these are the things what we should know and practice from now on. So those are the things what I would like the youngsters like you to get to know from one another and try to implement in our life so that we can have beautiful quality of life. So that is what the theme of the lecture going ahead today. So I'm happy. I heard that some 13, 14 students have given names to talk about this. I just hand over the session to Dr. Venupriya to go ahead with the session, and all the best, girls.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah, here in the first, we will go for the first year students. After that, second year students. It is your first elocution competition for the juniors. Applause for that. All the 13 students are there. Ma, it's you people are taking the very great initiative. You people are collected all the information. Okay. I would like to please first you on your video and I will announce the names. That time you on your video and your audio. Please others put in your mics mute, ma. Okay. Good. The first one is it Sahiti K, the power of prevention.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sahiti, start ma.
Ma'am, am I visible?
No ma. No video ma. Yes, Sahiti.
Ma'am, I
You
think there is a problem on videos
okay,
not.
okay. Okay. You try for that one. I will go for one more name. Okay. Other member. Okay. Meghana, are you ready, ma? Meghana.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Meghana, on your video, ma.
Mora Meghna or NV Meghna, ma'am.
It's NV Meghana, ma.
Okay, ma'am. I'm ready, ma'am.
Yeah.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, start, ma'am.
1 second, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Meghna. I am from MBA first year. The topic for today's electution is precautions of cancer, food diet, and environment. So the main reason for the cause of cancer is tobacco. So due to smoking and
Meghana, your video is not visible, ma. Once please check.
is it okay, ma'am? Now is it okay, ma'am? Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma. Continue.
The main reason for cause of cancer is tobacco. Due to smoking and use of tobacco, there are different kinds of cancers like lung, mouth, throat cancer, etc. So one need to be far away from smoking so that they can prevent themselves from smoking. So the main reason the main reason for the cancer is tobacco. So one need to be far away. So if they are already addicted to tobacco or smoking, they need to take the
Madam,
doctor's
we're not
prescription.
able to see you, ma'am. Yes, yes. When you are speaking, your video is going off. Yes, take
Okay,
care
ma'am.
that
Is
you
it
are
okay,
visible
ma'am?
to us. Yes, yes, ma'am.
I think network issue, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Take care
Shall
of
I
that, no?
start it again, ma'am? Sorry for that.
It's okay, fine.
Uh, the topic for today's electution is precautions of cancer, food diet, and environment. So the main reason for tobacco, so the main reason for cancer is use of tobacco. So one need to avoid themselves from addicting to tobacco and smoking. So if the people who are already addicted to smoking and tobacco, they need to take the doctor's prescription and use the tablets or anything else so that they can prevent themselves from smoking. So the next one is having a good diet. One need to have a good diet so that they could prevent cancer, and not only cancer, if we have a good diet we can avoid many of the diseases. So the proper diet that is to be followed for the prevention of cancer is they need to have pulses, vegetables, food grains, etc., so that they could prevent themselves from cancer. And the one more thing is that environmental factors. So mainly skin cancer is caused due to UV rays, that is due to the depletion of ozone layer. So one need to be careful, and you need to have some precautions while we are in the when we are under the sun. Mainly we should avoid being outside at the time of 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. so that we could avoid the UV rays that are coming from the ozone layer due to the depletion of ozone layer. And the next one is we need to have a proper weight, and we need to be fit and healthy so that we are not attacked to any other diseases. So present example is COVID. So if we are fit and fine, we are not affected due to COVID. So in the same way, if we want to avoid cancer, we need to be have fit and fine, and we need to have a regular medical checkup so that if we are attacked to cancer in the initial status only, we can detect it. So these are all the factors that prevent us from the cancer. So I would like to add a slogan to it. Fighting cancer is our goal. We can do it. It's in our soul. That's it, ma'am.
Good, Meghana.
I tried my best, ma'am, as it is a first for me.
It's the first for me, but good, ma.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Next one. Sahiti, what about you, ma?
Ma'am, am I visible now? Yes, ma, you are visible. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'ams and one and all. My name is Saiti. I'm from first year MBA. Today, I want to speak about the power of prevention. How can we prevent the cancer? By acquiring healthy habits, we can prevent half of the cancers. So it's never too late to begin. First, what are the healthy habits we have to adapt or get moderate and physical exercises regularly so that we can maintain a more healthy weight so that cancer can be reduced to cancer can be reduced. And if you are a smoker, please quit smoking because it's not only harmful for you, it's harmful to the surrounding people, and it's mainly affects the pregnant women. So quit smoking and limit the consumption of processed meats and red meats and added sugar, solid fats. and focus on the plant proteins, because plant proteins lowers the risk of cancers than the animal proteins. And limit the consumption of alcohol, and avoid the drug uses. It leads to the cancer. And there is one more thing, there is sun exposure, which which causes the skin cancer. uh, to avoid that sun exposure, we have to apply the sunscreen, and wear a hat, and avoid mid sun days. So more than that, we have one vaccine to prevent the cancer, which is HPV vaccine, human papilloma vaccine. It prevents the cancer up to 30 to 40 years. Till now, 24% of adolescent girls and 45% of adolescent boys are vaccinated. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Sahiti. Yeah, next, Deepti Bindu.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to my ma'ams and my friends. Today I'm K. Dipti Bindu, pursuing MBA first year. Today my topic is about prevention precautions of cancer, like food and diet and our environment. About the cancer, a term for diseases in which abnormal cells divided without control and can invade nearby tissues. Precautions: high fat, low fiber diets may increase the risk of many cancers, including lung, prostate, and uterine cancers. Reducing alcohol intake and maintaining healthy body weight may reduce the risk of many cancers. Food habits. Foods are grouped together because they provide similar amounts of key nutrients. For example, key nutrients of milk, yogurt, cheese, and alternative groups, including calcium and protein. Diet is just a lifestyle of an man. Factors that influence the risk of developing cancer. Although some foods can affect the cancer risk, causing substances like environment avoiding like tobacco smoke and sun rays. Be physical active and get immunized. So finally, I conclude that be strong and don't be a loser. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Bindu. Next one, N. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. Am I visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm N. Vaishnavi, MBA first year. Today I'm here to talk with you all about the precautions of cancer. That is, how to adapt food, diet, environment, and exercise. To begin with this, first let us know the link between cancer and diet. What is the link between cancer and diet? According to the research, few cancer risk factors such as genetics, environmental conditions, that is, it may be natural occurrence, lifestyle, and pollution, etc. These are not in our hands. These all are out of our control. But 70% of lifetime risk of cancer is within ourselves. That is our willpower, the support we get from body. This can be done only by maintaining a healthy diet. Which diet is beneficial? Diet rich in vegetables, whole grains, fruits, beans. Because these all provide nutrients, vitamins, magnesium, iron, fiber, potassium, etc. So, as there is a saying, precaution is better than cure. Why not we take a precaution? So, I suggest a few basic precautions. That is, the first one is avoiding cigarettes. Smoking causes cancer, heart diseases, lung diseases. So, it is better avoiding cigarettes. And the second one is avoiding alcohol. Alcohol develops the chronic diseases and other types of cancer such as mouth cancer, throat cancer, etc. The third one is reaching a healthy weight. Reaching a healthy weight gives us some hope to face mental health or physical health problems. Fourth one is regular exercise. It is best to adapt regular exercise because it increases to body's willpower and provides us stamina. So everyone needs to follow these at least four basic precautions as they play a vital role for healthy diet. Now, which type of environment is needed? Pollution-free environment, that is where we can get the natural air, that is the fresh air. And what are the exercise we need to do? Basic exercise, that is we can start with walking and then continue with weightlifting exercises. Why weightlifting exercises? Because it provides stamina in the human body so that we can face cancer without any problem. Thank you.
Okay, Vaishnavi. Next, K. Vishalakshmi. K. Vishalakshmi. She was not there. Next, Shruti Shabat.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shruti.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, my friends. Today, my topic is World Cancer Day. World Cancer Day is an international day marked on every February 4th. It is to create awareness and to encourage the prevention, detection, and treatment for cancer. It is nothing but a global uniting initiative taken by Union for International Cancer Control. We are we are working together to reimagine a world where millions of preventable cancers can be cured and saved, and access to life saving cancers can be treated. And care is equal for all, no matter from where you are and where you live. It was World Cancer Day was created in 2000. It is grown into such a manner. It is positive. It grown in a positive moment for everyone, everywhere, to unite under one voice and to face the challenge, which is one of the greatest challenges which currently the world is facing right now. Because without knowing what proper treatment, without knowingly, many people are giving their lives. So this is one of the main importance for creating World Cancer Day, to create the awareness among the people who don't know what it is and what. On this day, multiple initiatives were taken around worldwide, not only national level but also in rural level, in school levels are also now implementing this World Cancer Day awareness. This one of those popular movement which happened for World Cancer Days, no hair selfie. This is to support for the support for the patients who are undergoing treatment. This year, World Cancer Day, the theme was I am and I will. It is all about you and your commitment to the act. We believe that through the positive actions taken by the society and everywhere, we can together reach the target where number of premature deaths can be saved, and non-communicable diseases can be reduced by one third from 2030. So let's celebrate a World Cancer Day. Celebrate means not in a happy way, by creating the awareness. The people who don't know, even among us, we can make awareness among the society. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shruti. T. Hema Malini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, on your video, ma. Yeah.
19.3 million cases and 10 million cancer deaths in 2020. Yes, is it true? The second leading cause of death as per WHO. Good morning to one and all, my dear friends and faculty. I am present here. I feel good that I was allowed to give a speech on the topic World Cancer Awareness Day for my tuition. Hope prevails. Cancer cannot defeat you. It only makes you stronger. Though the battle be tough, hope is on your side. When there is hope, anything can be endured. And then comes the day when hope prevails you. Cancer, a six-letter word that makes our world upside down. Cancer is not just one disease, but a large group of almost 100 diseases. Cancer is basically an amalgamation of various diseases that involves the abnormal growth of cell with the ability to spread or invade other body parts. Cancer are quite different from begin tumors in that the latter does not spread or invade other body parts.
One second, ma. Hema Malini, please on your video now. We are unable to see your video. Your pic. Okay.
Okay. World Cancer Day is therefore celebrated all over the world to raise awareness about the causes, symptoms, treatments, and precautions. This day is celebrated on 4th of February every year. It was recommended and organized by the Union of Integration Cancer Control to encourage and support the World Cancer Declaration goals. Primary goals to reduce illness and death caused by the disease. The suffering person need the care and love of other to recover from this device. All of us should take the responsibility to spread the awareness about this disease and to prevent from others. So, World Cancer Day was planned in Geneva, Switzerland in 1933 under the direction of Union for International Cancer Control. World Cancer Day also puts efforts to instruct about the symptoms of cancer and methods to prevent this disease. This campaign against cancer on World Cancer Day makes the importance of the individuals as well as the collective efforts of the people. It treatment that
Yeah, Hema Malini, your time is up, ma, and your video is also not visible. Okay, but it's good, but try for the next time it's properly. Okay? Okay, beta. The next one. Yeah. K. Vishalakshmi. Anusha Gaddam. Anusha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anusha.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, all my dear friends. My name is G. Anusha. I'm from MBA first year. And today my topic is what is cancer and its causes. So, cancer is a broad term about a disease, that disease which results in the abnormal growth of cells. That cells reproduce in a rapid manner and could not able to function properly. So these cells are abnormal when compared to the ordinary cells when in the terms of shape or in terms of function. So there are many causes of cancer. Those can be categorized into two types. Those can be prevented cancer and another can be unprevented cancer. So when it comes to the prevented cancer, there are many factors in that also. Like first comes the lifestyle. So when it comes to the lifestyle, there are some practices like smoking, heavy as a consumption of alcohol and physical inactive and heavy more exposing to chemicals or working with toxic chemicals. So by changing the practice or by modification the practice in the lifestyle, there is a reduction in the risk of being affected in the cancer. Now when it comes to the unprevented causes, the first one will be the genetic disorders. So every person has a genetic code embedded in their cells. So this genetic code will produce the proteins, and these proteins will in turn provide instructions to the cell in order to when to reproduce or when to expire. So there are some default genes in the cell. Those default genes could not able to produce instructions. So that is the reason those cells could not get instructions when to expire. So they will grow out, they will reproduce in a high manner. So now when these cells would in turn changes into a cancer cells. So and some people, they are unfortunately born with inherited cancer, inherited genetic cancer. So these type of inherited cancer is known as predominant cancer. So these type of people, they are highly exposed to a development of cancer because they are inherited with a cancer by their genes. So when it comes to a next factor, immune system. So some people have weak immune system. So every person has a bone marrow which produces a cells. So these cells when after maturing being acting as an immune system. So the bone marrow sometimes produces a default cells which could not able to properly function. So these cells would able to in turn acting as a cancer cells after being matured. So people should have a strong immune system. And like having a weak immune system, being the bone marrow being produces a defective cells, that is due to the inherited cancer, or that is due to the default genes in their body. And next comes to exposing to certain viruses. So due to exposing to certain viruses, there is affection of cancer. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Anusha. Yeah, exact time you are confident. Okay. Next one, Charita. SS Charita.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my topic is about the types of cancer and brain cancer. Types of cancer. Cancers are named as in which they begin with a other parts of an body, and which increases of an abnormal growth in a cells or an tissues is known as an types of an cancer. And in types of cancers, there are several clinical terms which has been used in general types of an cancers. And carcinoma cancer. Carcinoma is a cancer which is increased in a skin and a cell tissues. And sarcoma. Sarcoma is a cancer in connective tissues as well as in muscles, cartilage, and blood vessels. It is found. And leukemia. Leukemia is a type of an cancer which is found in a bone marrow, which creates a blood cells in it. And lymphoma and myeloma are the type of an cancers of the immune system. Brain cancer. Brain cancer is a malignant growth of an abnormal cells in a brain, or a grouping of an these cells is known as a tumor. And in brain tumors there are 5 types: gallinomas tumor, meningioma tumor, pituitary adenomas tumor, vestibular schwannomas tumor, and primitive neuroectodermal tumor. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Charita, within 1 minute you are concluded. Okay, good. Yeah, next one, CH Anisha. CH Anisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anisha.
Yeah. I'm visible, ma'am?
Yeah, visible, ma. Start.
Yes. My name is C.H. Anisha. I'm studying MBA first year. Today I'm going to discuss about the what is a cancer and cancer. The uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body is known as cancer. Abnormal cells, it means low grade cells, and it develops when body stops the control of normal mechanism, and instead old cells do not die. Instead of growing new cells or new cells and forming new, and it is out of control, forming out of control abnormal cells, and these cells, these extra cells may form a tissue is called as tumor. Cancer tumors is classified into 3 types: benign tumor, malignant tumor, premalignant tumor. Benign tumor, this will grow very fastly. It will grow very slowly, and next malignant tumor, it will grows very fastly than the benign tumor, and it will easily, the cell, it will spread to other parts of body, and whereas benign tumor, it will not spread to other parts of body. And premalignant tumor is also known as precancerous, and it may like to develop as a cancer. And now I am discussing about types of cancer. The main 5 types of cancer, and it is carcinoma cancers, sarcoma cancer, leukemia cancer, and lymphoma and myeloma cancer, brain and spinal cord cancer. Now I am going to tell carcinoma cancer. It starts in skin. It starts in the skin or tissue that lineages other parts of organs like liver and kidney. Now, and sarcoma cancer, it grows in the connective tissues like muscles, bones, and blood vessels, etc. And next, I'm going to tell leukemia cancer, and it will grows in bone marrow. It occurs in bone marrow, like which creates blood cells. And next,
Anisha, time up, beta.
okay, ma'am.
Time
Thank
up.
you.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, next one, Samiksha. 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 Okay, next, Tanvantari Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Soumya.
Visible, ma'am?
Try, ma, once again, try. Yeah, it's set.
Respected faculty and my friends, thank you for joining me here this afternoon. I'm Soumya from first year. I'm here today to talk to you about preventions to avoid cancer through food and diet. So before going into the topic, let us discuss, is there any relationship between cancer and diet? Some cancer risk factors such as genetics and environment are out of human control. But research suggests that about 70% of our lifetime risk of cancer is with our power to change, including our diet. Avoiding cigarettes, and limiting the weight and so on can prevent the cancer. Adopting a healthy diet can also play a vital role. What you eat and don't eat can have a powerful effect on your health, including your risk of cancer. So some of the simple ways to build your cancer prevention diet is to lower our risk of many types of cancer as well as other serious disease. We should aim to build a proper diet on the daily basis. So the proper diet comes under add more fruit and veggies to your diet. Like fruits and vegetables contains a lot of water content. By drinking plenty of water or by eating water content food, we get proper hydration and we get rid of the cancer. One of the most important diet is eat only the food which contains multigrains, pulses, oatmeal, and so on. At the same time, try to limit the amount of processed and fried foods and refined foods. Only you obtain the unrefined foods like oatmeals, uh, pulses, and so on. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Soumya. Yeah, next one, Chaitanya Sri. Chaitanya Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Chaitanya.
Good afternoon, everyone, my dear friends, faculty, and my dear seniors. On this World Cancer Awareness Day, I would like to talk about the types of cancer. Generally, carcinoma, lymphoma, leukemia, sarcoma, and melanoma are the general types of cancer we come across. When the cancer cells affect the epithelial tissue of the body, it is called as carcinoma. The all the 80% of tumors comes under the carcinoma. The skin cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer comes under this carcinoma. When the melanocytes of the body gets impacted or affected, it is called as melanoma. And when the blood cells or the bone marrow cells get impacted or affected, it is called as leukemia. Sarcoma is a cancer which affects the connective tissue or the muscular tissue of the body, and this is derived from mesoderm. The tendons and the adipose tissue cells get affected in this. And the other types of cancer are lymphoma. The lymphatic system of the body gets affected in this. As my all my friends said, there are different causes of cancer and there are different types of preventive measures we can take. I just want to end this elocution with a slogan, prevention is better than cure. I thank every faculty member for giving this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Chaitanya. Okay, Samiksha is there? Samiksha. K. Visalakshmi. Okay, ma, we'll go for the next people. The Anjali, are you ready? A. Vaishnavi, seniors.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Vaishnavi, please on your video.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Vaishnavi. I'm pursuing MBA second year. I'm here to talk about cause of cancer. Cancer is a non-inflammatory disease which can be defined as an abnormal cell divisions and growth in a specific part of the living body. There are many different types of cancer which are classified and named according to the type of affected cells. In normal cases, each cell has controllable limited growth and divisions in addition to limited lifespan. When this lifespan is completed, the cell will die. In cancer cell, uh, the abnormal cell, according to age, there is a positive relationship in age and cancer formation. The old people are more susceptible to have cancer than the young people because they have weak immune system. And next, lifestyles and bad habits. There are many factors that could be included in bad lifestyles and habits and may causes cancer. The most harmful agents are tobacco and alcohol. There is no doubt the tobacco smoking and alcohol drinking people may have cancer during their life. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Vaishnavi, good better. Yeah, next one, I think Visa Lakshmi joined. Yeah, here. Yeah, Visa Lakshmi, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm unable to connect, ma'am. Just few minutes before only I got here.
Okay, are you able to? You can on,
Shall I tell
on your video. You can on
video?
video.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Just a second. I think the video is not working, ma'am. I have all switched on. Can you able to see me, ma'am?
No, ma.
Wait.
Yeah, Visa Lakshmi, you can try, ma. I will go for one more. Yeah. Here, girl. Yeah, you can continue.
Done. Okay, ma'am. Shall I, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, good afternoon, friends. Myself, I'm K. Visalakshmi. I'm studying in MBA first year. So, I'm going to deal with the causes of cancer topic. So, what is a cancer? First, I'm going to tell about it. Cancer is nothing but the rapid multiplication of cells. It may be any cell. So, it is caused mainly due to the mutations. So, mutations are nothing but spontaneous changes in the cells. That changes in the cells causes mutations. So, what causes these mutations? Maybe anything like environmental changes, genetic changes, or maybe due to the food which we have in our daily lives or habit of our lifestyle also. So coming to the genetic changes, that is some of the cancers are hereditary cancers. That is they are passed from one generation to another generation also, and that some of the genes may undergo defect in their they undergo mutations and causes this cancer in the particular organ. That means they cause the rapid multiplication of the cell, so which enables the organ to perform its function. So coming to the environmental factors, that is maybe due to the pollution or maybe due to the food habits which we have in our daily which we have in our daily life. They also can causes cancer. Like some of the examples means like the recent one is the high grade cancer.
Yes, yes.
Uh, the recent one is the high grade cancer, which is mainly caused which is mainly caused due to the mutations. But we cannot identify which organ is affected in which organ is mainly affected in the high grade cancer. And coming to food habits, having oily or deep fried foods or junk food mainly causes cancer. That's all, ma'am. I think few minutes
Yeah,
is enough.
Visa Lakshmi. Yeah, good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the
Yeah.
opportunity.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. The next one, P. Vaishnavi Penurkar.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Vaishnavi Penukar, studying in
Vaishnavi,
second year.
on your video, no? On your video?
Sound, ma'am.
Video. Yeah, it's coming now.
So, what exactly is cancer? Cancer is an uncontrollable growth of abnormal cells wherever in a blood, that is in cancer cells. The main reason is tobacco and cigarette. It is also called as malignancy. The symptoms of cancers are weight loss, pain, skin changes, fever, unusual bleeding. Then coming to types. Types are thyroid cancer, lung cancer, uterine cancer, kidney cancer. And the most common cancers in men, women, and children. That is lung in men, and women breast cancer, and in children leukemia, brain, and tumor. The spread of cancers. The spread of cancer in primary and secondary. The place where a cancer starts in the body is called primary cancer. These are the spread to other parts of the body. There can form other tumor areas are known as secondary cancers. Uh, and, and coming to the types of cancers, that is kidney cancer. Every person has two cancers. which are located above the waist on both sides of the spine. Each kidney works independently. Kidney cancer begins when healthy cells in one or both kidney change and grow out of control. And coming to next type of cancer, that is uterine cancer. Uterine cancer is the most common cancer occurring within a woman's reproductive system. It begins when healthy cells in the uterine changes and grows out of the control. And the quotation of the cancer is I am and I will. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Vaishnavi. Okay. Next, Anjali Balasubramaniam.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is about cancer, ma'am. Actually, cancer worldwide is celebrated tomorrow, 4th of February. And my topic can be about cancers and its treatment and its stages. First, we go through its stages. First, the cancer cell comes from the cell, other cells. One main cell which will affect the other cells. Then it goes to the organs. Slowly, it can create brain cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, etc., ma'am. But the dangerous cancer can be spine cancer, ma'am. If you will not able to walk after that, it will make you paralyzed, ma'am. Like the treatments for the cancer can be chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is to it's a brain operation to remove the disease. It will not remove the disease immediately. It will you have to go to different stages to remove this disease, ma'am. Then you come for radiation process, ma'am. Through radiation process, we have different laser technology. Slowly, we put the ray of light onto the cancer. Then we have new more treatments coming into function, that is called hyper scan, through which directly this scanner will detect the cancer cell and remove it from the body, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Anjali. Next one. Pooja Gunte.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pooja.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, one and all. Today's it's celebration of about uh, sorry. My topic is the types of cancer. What is a cancer? Cancer is a group of disease involving abnormal all cells of growth with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. Their contrast with benign tumor which do not spread. And types of cancer. Cancer can be classified according to the type of cell. There are five main types: carcinoma, sarcoma, lymphoma and myeloma, and leukemia, brain and spinal cord cancer. Sarcoma is a cancer that arises from the epithelial cells, and the most common form of cancer in this group are breast, prostate, lungs, and colon cancer. And sarcoma, a type of malignant tumor of the bone or soft tissue. And the most common form of sarcoma are sarcomia, liposarcomia, and osteosarcomia. And third, lymphoma and myeloma. Lymphoma and myeloma are cancer that begin in the cells of the immune system. And myeloma start in the plasma cells, a type of white blood cells that produce antibodies to help fight infection. This cancer affect the cell's ability to produce antibodies effectively. And leukemia is a cancer of the white blood cells and bone marrow, the tissue that form blood cells. There are several subtypes. Common are lymphocytic leukemia and chrome lymphocytic leukemia, and brain and spinal cord cancer. These are known as central nervous cancers.
Pooja,
Some
time
are
up, ma.
okay,
Time
ma'am.
up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Gayatri. On your video.
Yeah, good afternoon,
How
everyone.
many are there?
Yeah, only 3 are there, ma'am. Only
Three
3
more?
members are there.
I'll talk in the end.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, one and all. Today I'm going to say about prevention of cancer. So as we said that prevention is better than cure. So how can we prevent cancer? There are we can follow many steps for preventing cancer. Firstly is to have a healthy diet and food. What is healthy diet and food? Healthy diet and food is nothing but including more amount of fruits and vegetables in your diet, drinking plenty of water. It is said that at least 12 glasses of water should be drunk by every person to stay healthy. So try to drink large amount of water and avoid oil foods, because outside food and junk food will be those foods which will be fried in the same oil, which may also cause cancer. So try to avoid junk food and oil food to eat too much. And next one is try to drink smoking, avoid eating tobacco or drinking alcohol, because chewing of tobacco can cause oral cancer, lung cancer, and esophagus cancer. And smoking, when you smoke, the smoke will be emitted outside. So the smoke not only affects you, but also affects the outside person and surrounding person. So they also will be affected because if you smoke. So please try to avoid smoking. And alcohol, do not drink over amount of alcohol. Drinking little amount of alcohol is okay, but do not drink too much. And next one is exercise regularly. If you exercise regularly, your obesity will be in control. If your obesity will be in control, you won't get any type of diseases. So try to do physical exercises. And next one is try to avoid stress. When you will be more stressed, you won't be working nicely. If you won't work nicely, with that tension, you won't be sleeping. If you won't sleep, again, it will cause obesity. And with that also, again, it will lead to cancer. So please try to avoid stress, do exercise regularly, drink water. So some may be thinking like, if it is in genes, how to prevent? If it is in genes, you will be knowing that there will be chances of getting for you also. So how to avoid means take regular medical checkups, like go to hospital. If someone is affected with cancer in your ancestors, so you can be knowing the type of cancer. So you can avoid by taking regular health checkups or taking preventive vaccines and like that. Thank you.
Yeah, Gayatri, good enough. Yeah. Next to Pavani. Pavani.
Yes, ma'am.
On your video.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all my dear ma'ams. My topic is causes of cancer. There is no one single cause for the cancer. Scientists believe that it is the interaction of many factors together that produces cancer. The factors involved may be genetic, environmental, or constitutional characteristics of the individual. The main causes of the cancer are the risk factors are the lifestyle factors. It may be a family history or some genetic disorders, exposures to certain viruses, environmental exposures, some forms of high dose due to the chemotherapy and radiation also. For this, I would like to give some example, ma'am. One of a family member got this breast cancer. So due to much chemotherapy, radiation only, that woman became much sick, and she was not surviving for the longer time. Within 2 to 3 months, she got expired, ma'am, due to the chemotherapy treatment only. Because she was not guided with the proper guidance for the treatment. She did not cope with the chemotherapy treatment. Mostly people with good willpower and healthy people only can cope with the chemotherapy treatment, ma'am. She was guided very wrongly, I think so. But within some 10 or 12 chemotherapy treatments she has undergone, within 2-3 months she got expired, ma'am, with the breast cancer. And the types of the cancers are oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes, mismatch repair genes, and these are some of the cancers. Lifestyle factors should be changed for this, especially the smoking
Pavani,
and the drinking.
Pavani, time up, ma. Yeah,
Okay,
2 minutes
thank
time
you.
is there, no? Yeah, okay. Next is
Thank you.
Swati. Yeah, Pavani. Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, Swati.
Good afternoon to one and all. Today I would like to talk about prevention of cancer. Prevention of cancer. Maintaining a healthy diet is an important factor, an important way to reduce the risk of developing the cancer. And what is the best diet to reduce the risk of the cancer? Here we have doctors simplify that there are five factors, and which the main factor is that by having 5 fruits and 5 vegetables per day is an important factor to reduce the risk of developing the cancer. Why? Because fruits and vegetables contain the phytochemicals, and these phytochemicals will help the body and help the immune system to reduce the risk of the cancer. So my first message is let your kitchen be your medicine cabinet and work on the 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. And another key factor which will be helpful to reduce the developing of the cancer is a proper or physical health diet. Physical exercise, which means a conscious effort to do a exercise like 15 to 13 minutes. The experts have found that doing an exercise like 15 to 30 minutes in a day and per week 5 days and 150 minutes has been really helpful to reduce the risk of developing a cancer. And my second message is that to do exercise at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes in a day, that will be really helpful to reduce the risk of the developing the cancer. And third but not least is trying to uh, trying to do or yoga or meditation, so that trying to do yoga and meditation to reduce your stress levels, because stress levels are also the important factor which will be developing the cancer. They are not only risk to the cancer, and they are also risk to the diabetes and heart disease and other also illness factors. So my third message is to do yoga and helpful meditations so that they can be useful to reduce the cancer. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Swati. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, here only 13, 21 members are given names, ma'am, but only 19 members are participated. Okay, but it's good one. The first thing, I would like to request our director, madam, to give the remarks, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Yeah, thank you. A really great attempt made by all the students today. I'm happy for the kind of awareness you have, and you tried your level best to bring among every one of you, and it's like sharing of knowledge. Okay, I just tell you, see, however, whatever the kind of research that is done in this area, and however, whatever the kind of technologies that have been improvised, but still this has become, cancer has become a kind of puzzle for all the medical professionals and even the researchers. In my family only we have 2 researchers, scientists in US. When I have been to US, I have gone to their labs, Chicago University. I visited the laboratory wherein they have taken me to the that kind of laboratory environment wherein mice, they were working on mice. So what my sister told me, we are trying our level best in injecting the kind of whatever their chemical composition, some I don't understand. They are experimenting on mice, and every time they are coming out with new mutation. So whatever they were happy the other day, they will not be happy tomorrow. So such a kind of fast mutations are happening in this particular very puzzled kind of disease, cancer. So that is why what everybody feels, prevention is better than cure. So what best we can do in order to prevent, once we know whatever you have discussed, rather whatever we read, we listen, we watch on TV, if we start following them from now on, so that, see, everything is a destiny. We can't avoid destiny. But whatever that is in our hand, if we follow, we will be successful. So very good, girls. You have made an attempt on this day to come out with your best. And I want Dr. Venupriya to give all of you some e-certificates. Those for all the participants, you will be getting your certificates, and we'll announce also first and second, both in first year and second year, just to encourage you, so that you also should be happy for your hard work today. Thank you, girls.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, girls, you people are did a wonderful thing. The first attempt for the juniors and seniors already they crossed. They participated in so many programs in the last year. Okay, but physically we did so many things. So the seniors know about that one. They participated in all the events, but we are trying to do into the online platform also. We will utilize and we will do the same pattern. Whatever the thing it will be there, that we will follow and we will do. Yeah, here in the next time the more number will increase. Yeah, okay, girls, I will provide e-certificate to you, and who are the winners are there very shortly I will announce. Okay, thank you. The people join with this one, the social club is there, AMS social club is there, join with that link in that WhatsApp group. I will forward that e-certificate link. Okay, girls, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.